Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find site settings in Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is launched, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is your main menu button. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing and managing your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can control everything from your appearance preferences to privacy controls. The settings interface is designed to be user-friendly with all options organized into clear categories on the left side of the screen. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Click on Privacy and Security. This section is particularly important because it houses all the controls related to how Chrome handles your data, cookies, and permissions for websites. It's where you can fine-tune what information sites can access and how they interact with your browser. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find Site Settings and click on it. This is the hub for all website-specific permissions and behaviors. Once you click it, Chrome will display a comprehensive list of all site settings that apply to every website you visit. Here you can manage permissions like location access, camera and microphone usage, notifications, pop-ups, and much more. It's a powerful tool for controlling your browsing experience across all websites. Now, if you want to view site settings for a specific website that you currently have open, there's an even faster way to access this information. Open a new tab and navigate to any website you'd like to check. Once the page loads, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll notice a small icon that looks like a circle with a line through it or a lock symbol depending on the site's security status. This is your quick access point for site-specific settings. Click on this settings icon in the address bar. A small pop-up menu will appear showing you quick information about the site's permissions and security. In this pop-up, you'll see an option that says Site Settings. Click on it and Chrome will immediately open the site settings page for that specific website. This view shows you all the permissions and settings that apply only to the site you were just viewing, making it incredibly convenient when you need to adjust permissions for a particular website quickly. And that's it. You now know 2 ways to access site settings in Chrome, both the general settings for all sites and the specific settings for individual websites. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.